we got L1, L2. Now we have to find out L3. So if you want to find out L3, we should know AB and CD, because AB plus CD will give you L3 only. So to find out L3, first of all we should draw a parallel line O2P parallel to AB. From O2 we have to draw one parallel line O2P which is parallel to AB. If you calculate O2 from the geometry, so that is nothing but AB only. So from the geometry, from this particular triangle O2, O1, PR, O1, O2P, this particular triangle, apply the Pythagoras theorem. So as per the Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. If you apply the same principle for this O1P O2 triangle, O1 O2 square equal to O2 P square plus O1 P square. Next, so in this particular Pythagoras theorem, we will retain O2P on one side, because our main intention is to calculate O2P only, because O2P is parallel to AB. If we calculate AB, that is the part of L3 only. So O2P square equal to, take this term that side, O1 O2 square minus O1 P square. So O2P only equal to O2P equal to square root of O1 O2 square minus O1 P square. So here, from this particular geometry, O1 O2 is nothing but a center distance C. Next, O1P. So O1P equal to, so if you want to calculate O1P, so O1P means, so this is total radius R1, this is R2 is the radius of smaller pulley. So if you take R1 minus R2, we'll get remaining part. So that is what O1P equal to R1 minus R2. So substitute these two values in this equation. O1 O2 equal to center distance, O1P equal to R1 minus R2. If you substitute this equation here, O2P equal to C square minus R1 minus R2 square. In this equation, I will take C square outside, C square into 1, C square as it is. Here we don't have any C square term, so we have taken C square common term. That's why it becomes a denominator. R1 minus R2 by C whole square. Here, the root of square root of C square is C only. So remaining term keep as it is. Or else you should take square outside the square root term, means 1 by 2. So this should be treated as equation number 4. So if you apply the binomial theorem for this particular term, you will get, so 1 minus 1 by 2 into R1 minus R2 by C whole square, plus you are having higher power terms in the later side, in the successive terms. But that should be neglected. The higher power term should be neglected from the binomial theorem, expansion theorem. So we will get only this term, 1 minus 1 by 2, R1 minus R2 by C whole square. So now the equation number 4 becomes O2P equal to C as it is. In place of this one, you should just substitute this equation. So O2P is what? O2P is a line which is parallel to AB. Now you got AB. So L3 is the addition of AB and CD. Similarly, you can find out the value for CD also.